Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chandan Prasad and you're watching The Absolute Rider. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update. So in this video, finally, I have bought one specific mic for myself. Till now, I didn't had any mic. Yes, I had a mic of the brand called Maono, something like that, which I found it on Amazon, and I don't know how I lost that. So after that mic, I was using that mic for just for the voiceovers. So I lost that mic somehow, and now I have ordered a new mic, that is the Boya MM1 mic. You guys might be thinking why there is no box, just a packet of the mic. Yes, this is an unboxing video, but still I don't have any box for this. The reason is the condition of the box when I received was something like this. So this was the condition of the packaging when I received this mic. I was really shocked when the delivery guy came and he was just giving me the box something like this. I asked him why is it like this. So he said that due to lockdown there is no men for packaging. So I thought it makes sense, and what I thought is let me check the product and return it if it's not nice. So what I did is I first checked the build quality, and then I checked the quality of audio with my DSLR, that is the Canon 77D. So later I got to know that the mic is really genuine, so I ignored the packaging, but the product was really good. And today we'll be going to unwrap this and check what we get in this. So the first thing you get here is the cables. So this cable is for the DSLR connection. So from this cable you connect your DSLR to the mic, and this cable is for your mobile and the laptop. So you can even do the voiceovers, and you can even connect this cable or this mic to your phones as well. So you need to get a mobile holder, something like this, which has the setting for the mic, but this doesn't have, but you can easily get it on Amazon. So you need to buy this if you want to connect this mic to your phone. And here we get the clip to attach the mic to your camera. So you just need to fix your mic on this and attach it to your DSLR. And finally, this is the mic. Let me remove this fur. So this fur is used for cancelling the extra noise which is not necessary in the video. So this is the mic, and the first impression is the build quality, guys. It's too heavy. It's around 200 to 300 grams. So it's really good, and the build quality is really nice. It's made of pure metal, so the quality is really nice. So as you can see, so this is the mic, and you can fit this clip to the mic like this. So this is how it looks. So and till now the video was recording in the internal mic quality of the Canon 77D, and let's check the audio quality of this in 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, this is the audio quality of this particular mic, that's the Boya MM1, and I am sure that you can obviously find the difference between mic and without mic, which was shot before. So let me know in the comment section that is there any difference and how much difference this particular mic is bringing to the audio quality. So I want to know your views on this particular mic. I have heard a lot of good reviews on this particular mic. There is one particular mic from Rode as well, which is the shotgun mic, which cost 5,000 or 6,000, and for my budget I really didn't want it to go for that, as I'm a beginner in terms of the audio quality or buying a mic. So I went for this, and the price of this particular mic is 1400. It costed me 1400 because there was some offer going on this particular mic, but its actual price cost you somewhere around 1700 to 1800. So this was its actual price, but I got it on offer for 1400. So this is the audio quality, guys, and I won't say that it's a best quality in this segment, but for beginners it's really fine and we can get going with this mic. So this was the video all about, guys, and if you have any queries on this particular mic, can surely comment down below, or you can follow me on my Instagram and ask your queries there. And I hope you like this video, and yes, this was the small info about this mic. And till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, guys. So bye bye.